Is it time to buy or sell Broadcom stock? In this video, we will delve into Broadcom. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 11th of March, 2025, and now we are here to offer you an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 24th of February, 2025, our system has categorized Broadcom as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 2.87. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock faced a decline of 8.54%. This results in an average loss of negative 0.71% per day since its designation as a sell candidate. The stock currently resides in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decreases within this trend are likely. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 13.61% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging between negative 19.25% and negative 1.38%. In examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis points to a projected change of 58.02%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance might vary from 50.17% to 126.52% over the next year. In terms of current value, this would place the future price somewhere between $285.47 and $430.60. Our latest daily update for Broadcom features the headline, Green Day on Tuesday for Broadcom. The Broadcom stock price experienced an increase of 3.06% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 11th of March, 2025. This rise took the price from $184.45 to $190.09. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 5.52%, with a low of $185.35 and a high of $195.58. The price has increased on 6 of the last 10 days, although it remains down by 6.15% over this period. Volume decreased on the last day by 2 million shares, with a total of 41 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $7.88 billion. It is important to note that declining volume on rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $251.87, while the lowest was $119.76. Currently, the price sits at 24.53%, or $61.78, below the 52-week high of $251.87, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Broadcom Incorporated, ticker symbol AVGO, is attracting attention as an exceptional growth stock, particularly because of its position in the rapidly expanding artificial intelligence sector. Recent news reveals that AVGO's revenue related to artificial intelligence has increased by 77% year over year, primarily driven by demand from major companies like Google and Meta. This remarkable growth in such a crucial area positions Broadcom for potential sustained upward momentum. The stock's performance experienced a decline recently amid a broader sell-off in the Nasdaq, where technology stocks are encountering volatility as investors seek safer assets. However, despite this short-term fluctuation, AVGO's robust financial fundamentals, including high gross margins and considerable free cash flow, indicate that it remains a solid long-term investment. Analysts are optimistic about Broadcom's diversified portfolio, which features promising products in artificial intelligence, semiconductors, and networking infrastructure. With discussions of a future market capitalization of $1 trillion, many consider AVGO to be undervalued. In the near term, while the market correction poses some pressure, those seeking growth and stability in technology might view the current prices as advantageous opportunities. In the long run, if Broadcom successfully capitalizes on its advancements in artificial intelligence and manages to navigate the current market volatility, it may provide significant returns for investors. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 7th of March, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned AVGO an overweight rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 7th of March, 2025, it was reported that KeyBank also assigned AVGO an overweight rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 16th of December, 2024, it was reported that CICE gave AVGO an outperform rating with an upgrade action. On Friday, the 13th of December, 2024, it was reported that Morgan Stanley again assigned AVGO an overweight rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 11th of October, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities gave AVGO a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Broadcom stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio similarly as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Broadcom. There are mixed signals in the stock today. The Broadcom stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this suggests a more negative outlook for the stock. If the stock experiences further gains, it may face resistance from the long-term moving average at $216.03. Conversely, if the stock declines, it should find some support from the short-term average at $187.91. A breakout above the long-term average would generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would reinforce the sell signal and strengthen the overall negative forecast. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, March 6, 2025, and so far, the stock has risen by 5.93%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Notably, volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices, leading to a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the stock closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 4 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 8 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 17 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 13 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 15 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 10 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Broadcom. Broadcom finds support from accumulated volume at $187.48. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. The stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $10.24 between its high and low, which represents a change of 5.52%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 5.70%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Broadcom, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors expect significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 11th of June, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.48. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Broadcom. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Broadcom is at $202.13. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this might be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Broadcom faces its first support level at $187.48. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Broadcom from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 4th of March, 2025, Spears Kirsten M. conducted an insider purchase of 118,760 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.001. On the 4th of March, 2025, Kawas Charlie B. conducted an insider purchase of 150,000 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.001. On the 4th of March, 2025, Brazil Mark David conducted an insider purchase of 262,500 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.001. On the 8th of January 25, Hartenstein Eddie W. conducted an insider sale of 4,000 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.001. On the 6th of January 2025, Lochek Keon conducted an insider sale of 48,000 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.001. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is positive with a ratio of 5.763. In total, insiders purchased 2,082,240 shares and sold 2,641,000 shares in the last 100 trades. Currently, we hold a negative outlook for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Broadcom stock a good buy? Broadcom currently shows several negative indicators, and we anticipate that its performance will remain weak over the next few days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 12th of March, we expect Broadcom to open higher by approximately 248 of a dollar, initiating trading at $190.34. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.